Hello everyone, I am Suti Sharma and today we are going to be reviewing some books which I read recently. So, welcome to episode 1 of What to Read Next. So, I have some books, some amazing books by the way. I love each book in this video, जो भी मैं आपको बताऊंगी. So, first is the thriller genre. First book I'm going to be reviewing is Never Lie by Frida McFadden. This book was so nice that I read this much part for like 4 to 5 days and this under one night. This tells how much hooking the book is. This book is a psychological thriller and very fast paced. So if you're looking for a book which is like a fast paced thriller and like जल्दी जल्दी सब कुछ हो रहा है, so you will like love this book. So the book follows two newly wedded couples, like apparently 6 months हुए अभी उनकी शादी को, and they are searching for a house and they get a house which is of a psychiatrist who disappeared 3 years ago because like out of nowhere किसी को पता नहीं है, उसके बॉयफ्रेंड पे चार्ज लगा हुआ है उसके मर्डर का, बट ऐसा कुछ अभी सुनी सुनाई बात है, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, ठीक है. And then as the main character Tricia explores the house, the point of view is of Tricia, by the way. So she finds the recordings of sessions of Dr. Hale, the psychiatrist, and she gets some different recording and she hears them and she connects dots, that who could have been the killer or why Dr. Hale disappeared, and then things get so like I loved the book. I loved the plot. I could not guess it. It is great for people जो बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छी बुक उसको उनको अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ प्लॉट बहुत अच्छा. बहुत सारे लोगों ने बोला दैट द प्लॉट वाज प्रिडिक्टेबल, बट मे बी देवर लाइक वो लोग बोल रहे थे जो बहुत ज्यादा थ्रिलर पढ़ते हैं. सो मे बी फॉर बिगनर्स लाइक मी, आई एम अ बिगनर इन थ्रिलर, तो it will be a great read for beginners. And this book I will rate my personal opinions, like इसमें कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है. एक्सपीरियंस हर किसी के अलग अलग हो सकते हैं. सो माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस वाज आई विल रेट दिस बुक 3.5 out of 5 because I loved the book, I loved the plot, everything was so nice, but like it was not ki oh ye kya hoga, it was like nice. Then the next book we are going to be reviewing is The Housemaid by again Frida McFadden. This book is about a housemaid who is looking for a job, looking for work, and Winchester's family hires her and gives she's like a 24/7 maid, job के घर पे ही रहती है. So they hire her and they give her a room which is like take a small store room जिसमें like window भी बहुत छोटी सी है, and वो खुद ही घर को सारा साफ करती है, सब कुछ काम करती है. सो शी फाइंड्स सम डिफरेंट एंड डेंजरस सीक्रेट्स अबाउट दिस फैमिली जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा खतरनाक है, एंड शी इज़ लाइक अच्छा ये सब हो रहा है, एंड शी इज़ फाइंडिंग ऑल द सीक्रेट्स. Book is like this book is gonna twist your mind very much to extent कि अच्छा अब क्या होगा. And the plot, I bet you will not be, if you're a beginner or a middle level, you will not be able to guess it. कुछ कुछ होते हैं extraordinary, but mostly people you will not be able to guess it. I could not. This book like was very 5 stars I given this book because this book this was my first ever book which was thriller, and I love this book very much. So next genre is rom-com, which is like ज़्यादा मैंने books पढ़ी नहीं है अभी तक. 3 books on the genre is rom-com. So the first book is from rom-com genre. It's Love Hypothesis. This book by Ali Hazelwood. I loved it. As I said, all the books in this episode, I loved all of them. Love Hypothesis is लिख के रखा है मैंने यहाँ पे. This book features a girl who is like named Olive, and she is a PhD student, and she it's like ki complicated story. Like her best friend is in love with her ex, the FMC's ex, but she's loyal to the FMC, so she does not like get in relationship. But the FMC has moved on, and she wants her best friend to get in the relationship. So for that, she fake dates a guy and like kisses the guy, the first man she sees, and then fake dates her, and then things get. दिस बुक डेफिनेटली उसके 2-3 चैप्टर देवर लाइक स्पाइसी. मेरे को एक बोला गया था 16 चैप्टर दैट इज स्पाइसी, बट उसके आगे पीछे के भी थोड़े थोड़े स्पाइसी थे, तो मैं बता देती हूँ. रीड अकॉर्डिंगली टू दैट. एंड आई लाइक लव्ड दिस बुक एंड लव्ड द लास्ट लाइन ऑफ दिस बुक. मेरे को वो लास्ट लाइन हमेशा याद रहेगी, द एपिलॉग वाली लास्ट लाइन. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट. Next book is Better Than the Movies by Lynn Painter, and like Lynn Painter writes in a way that it gets so easy to imagine what all is happening in the book. She paints a whole world in your mind, Painter. So this book is about a girl, Lynn Painter, Liz Buxbaum. Maybe I'm pronouncing the name wrong, just bear with me. So is like she has a childhood nemesis, but her childhood crush comes back to her neighborhood, and but the childhood crush, the person, मेरे को नाम उसका याद नहीं है, that has some different image about Liz, and she wants to change that, and she will have to get help of her childhood nemesis Wes Bennett. And then उसी बातों में क्या हो जाता है वो तो बुक पढ़ के ही पता लगेगा. This book was so nice. 4.5 out of 5 on my personal opinion. This book was a very very nice, like शेफ्स किस. कॉज मैं खाना खाते खाते फोन नहीं देख रही थी, बुक पढ़ रही थी लास्ट के टाइम पे. नेक्स्ट बुक एंड द लास्ट बुक ऑफ दिस वीडियो अपेरेंटली इज नथिंग लाइक द मूवीज, जो इसका अगला एक्सटेंडेड वर्जन है बेटर देन द मूवीज का. This book, it's like starting mein they both move into college, and this book is dual point of view. The first book was just Liz Buxbaum, and this has a dual point of view. They both break up because of a misunderstanding, like कुछ reasons की वजह से, and then Wes has to change that thing and he wants to win her back. उसने गलती करी थी Wes ने, तो he wants to win her back, but the problem is that Liz has started to stay with a guy which is her best friend, and like कि उसको नहीं पता है, ही थिंक्स दैट वो उसका बॉयफ्रेंड है, सो बहुत ज़्यादा जेलसी वगैरह वगैरह, एंड ही वांट्स टू विन हर बैक. सो उसके लिए वो सारी ये दिस बुक इज ऑल अबाउट हाउ ही विन्स हर बैक, एंड द एंडिंग ऑफ इट वाज लाइक everything you could expect कि एंडिंग ऐसी होनी चाहिए. एंडिंग वॉज लाइक सो परफेक्ट इन दिस बुक, जैसी आप एक्सपेक्ट करोगे वैसी ही एंडिंग है. It was not at all disappointing, and I loved this book as well. 4.5 stars इसको भी मैं देना चाहूँगी this book, and the cover of both the books are like amazing. खत्म होता है यहाँ पे मेरा स्क्रिप्ट भी. So I hope you enjoyed the video. ऐसी ही न्यू वीडियोस मैं लाती रहूँगी. This was first episode of What to Read Next, and this is a Sunday video. If you have any other suggestions, what I could improve or what content I should make, you could write that in comments. Thank you. बंद नहीं हुआ, हो ही नहीं रहा.